Dreaming of a night under the stars surrounded by Yosemite's natural beauty? Whether you're pitching a tent or staying in a cozy cabin, Yosemite National Park offers unforgettable camping experiences. Let's check them out. Upper Pines Campground. Open year-round, this campsite is perfect for staying close to Yosemite Falls and Half Dome. Lower Pines Campground, nestled near the Merced River, offering breathtaking valley views. North Pines Campground, ideal for those looking for a quieter, shaded area. Looking for family-friendly spots? Try Hodgdon Meadow or Wawona Campground. Hodgdon Meadow, located near the Big Oak Flat entrance, perfect for a peaceful escape. Wawona Campground, close to Mariposa Grove, home to Yosemite's famous giant sequoias. Prefer a cozy cabin to sleeping in a tent? Yosemite has charming options for every traveler. Enjoy camping from inside a cabin. Curry Village, rustic cabins near Yosemite Valley's major attractions. A place to remember. Housekeeping camp, a budget-friendly option with a blend of camping and comfort. Your family will enjoy every moment. From rugged campsites to charming cabins, Yosemite offers the perfect base for your next adventure. Plan your Yosemite getaway today and experience the magic of the great outdoors.